Dear students, before starting the next chapter, you must know to divide using short division method. I have seen most of you do not know what is short division actually. I shall give you some hints how to do the short division. I have taken an example. We have to divide 325 by 5 using short division. For that, I shall write 325 and 5 here. We cannot divide 3 by 5. We shall go to the next number. So it is 32 now. How many times we can divide 32 by 5? I have written the table for 5 in my rough work area so that you can understand how to do it. So here we have 32, 5 into 6 is 30, 5 into 7 is 35. 35 is greater than 32, so we cannot write 7. 30 is less than 32, so we shall write 6 here. 5 into 6 is 30. So from 32 we subtract 5 into 6, 5 into 6, 30, it is 2. The next number after 32 is 5, I shall write 5 here. So you can see 5 into 5 is 25. So if I write 5 here, 5 into 5 is 25. This remainder you can write here also like this remainder 32 minus 30, the remainder 2, so it becomes 25. 5 into 5 is 25. If we see another example, suppose 611 by 7. 611 by 7. 6 is not divisible by 7, so we go for the next digit. It becomes 61. 7 into 8 is 56. 7 into 9 is 63. 56 is less than 61, but 63 is greater than 61. So I shall write 8 here. I am writing 8 here. 7 into 8 is 56. If I subtract 56 from 61, I get 5. So the remainder 5 will come here, and with 1 it becomes 51. How many times we can divide 51 by 7? It is again, you check, 7 into 7 is 49. 7 into 8 is 56. Here we have 51. So we shall be writing 7 here. 7 into 7 is 49. 51 minus 49, 51, we have minus 7 into 7, 49, it is equal to 2. So remainder is 2. If we divide 611 by 7, the quotient is 87 and the remainder is 2. We'll solve another problem for your better understanding. 3254 divided by 2 using short division. You know already 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Here you can see that 3 is greater than 2. So we have the value 3, which lies between 2 into 1 2 and 2 into 2 4. So 3 is less than 4, but 3 is greater than 2. Therefore we shall write 1 here. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus this 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 I shall write with this next 2. It becomes 12. 12 is 2 into 6 is 12. So we shall write here 6. 2 into 6 is 12. We go for the next number, that is 5. So you see 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 5 is less than 6, but 5 is greater than 4. So we shall write this 2 here. 2 into 2 4. 5, this 5 minus 4 is 1 again. This 1 will be joining with this next digit 4. It becomes 14. 2 into 7 is 14. So we shall write this 7. Therefore our answer is 1627. If we divide 3254 by 2, our answer is 1627 using short division method. I hope you have understood this. If you don't understand, just ask me in your clarification hour. I will explain it again. This is very important for your next chapter, chapter number 3, knowing our numbers. Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall start a new chapter, chapter 3, playing with numbers. The first topic of this chapter is factors and multiples. The first question comes to mind: what is a factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. It means if we divide the number by any factor, there will be no remainder. That means it is an exact divisor. So I have given you a question: find the factors of 12. How to find the factors of 12? Let us check the numbers by which 12 is divisible. 12 is divisible by 1. If I divide 12 by 1, we get 12. Next we shall check if 12 is divisible by 2 or not. 12 is divisible by 2. It is 6 times divisible. 2 into 6 is 12. Let us check if 12 is divisible by 3. 3 into how much is 12? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Next we shall check by which number we can divide 6 and 2. But already we have got 2 and 6. Again we are getting 6 and 2. So we shall stop our calculation here itself because this is repeating this result. Therefore, 12 is 1 into 12, 1 into 12. Again 12 is 2 into 6, 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 6. Again 12 is 3 into 4. Therefore, factors of 12 are, what are the factors? 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4. If we write in ascending order, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This way you have to find. Now we shall see another example. Find the factors of 30. How to find the factors of 30? Rough work area. 30, if you divide by 1, you get 30. Again, we shall check 30 by 2. How to divide this? In 3, 2 is divisible 1 time. And 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2, remainder is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, remainder 1. This remainder will come with this 1, with this 0. It becomes 10. So 2 and 5. 2 into 5 is 10. I hope you understand the short division. 3, if we divide by 3, we get 3. If we divide 3, 1, and the remaining 0 will come. So the short division, 3 into 10 is 30. Here 2 into 15 is 30. 1 into 30 is 30. We shall check if it is divisible by 4. If we divide by 4, 7, but 4 into 7 is 28. But here we have 30. It should be exact divisor. That means there cannot be any remainder. If it is 28, this is 30, there will be remainder 2. So we cannot take 4 as the factor of 30. So we check for the next number, that is 5. 5 into 6 is 30. Therefore 5 into 6 is 30. Then we go for the next number. 7 is not divisible, 30 is not divisible by 7. 8 is not divisible by 7. 9 is not divisible by 7. 10, again if we divide 30 by 10, we get 3. But here we have already got 3 and 10. So again here 10 and 3. So we shall stop the calculation here itself. So 30 is equal to 1 into 30. Then 30 is equal to 2 into 15. 30 is equal to 3 into 10. 30 is equal to 5 into 6. So write all the numbers starting from 1. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors of 30.